Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. I am Sahil Yadav. So in this video we are going to discuss about the one HR question which is asked in every interview to you. So please look into it and please try to remember what you have to answer, because this question will change your entire life, entire career. This question, answering this question very well will definitely give you a position in the respective company. Okay, so the question is, where do you see yourself 5 years from now or 3 years from now? So HR always asks you this question, that where do you see yourself 5 years from now. Okay, so suppose for chemical industries you will try to answer that I see myself as being a manager in the respective company, and I will be doing the managerial job, and I will have 15 to 20 people under me. So this is a wrong answer, totally a wrong answer. Most of the people give this answer only, that I see myself in the higher position and so on. So this answer is totally wrong. Please don't give this answer. Many people, or most of you, 90% of you will give this answer only. So this is a wrong answer. So first of all, let us see what HR expect you to answer for this question. So whenever HR asks you, where do you see yourself 5 years from now, so he is not asking about the position that you will be in the their firm for after 5 years. He is not asking you a specific position. He is looking for your ambition towards the job. Okay, so remember, he is looking towards your ambition towards the job. So you have to answer accordingly. So what you should answer is, so I will be definitely interested in working for the company for a long term, such that my work will say something. This is not this is how you should answer. Or the perfect answer, let me have a read. So the perfect answer is, I am definitely interested in making a long term commitment to my next position. So this shows you are ambitious towards your work. Okay, this does not give a wrong impact on HR. Then you have to continue that I am definitely interested in making a long-term commitment to my next position. Judging by what you have told me about this position, it exactly what I am looking for. So you have to butter something to your HR, that yes, I am looking for this job, and this job is well suited for me as well as for you also. Okay, so I am looking for this job and this job is very great. So you have to just butter HR and what I am qualified to do so. Okay, so this is how you should answer, where do you see 5 years from now. So include words like interested in making a long term commitment to my next position. Include this word, as well as include in terms of my future career path. I am confident that if I do my work with excellence, opportunity will be inevitable open for me. Okay, or don't include this, but just include that long term commitment towards the position that you are providing me. Also you can add, I am confident I will have similar opportunities of the higher position here. Means you have to say answer ambitiously. He is not looking for your goal. So please don't answer that I will be doing some higher position job in your firm. Don't answer this. Okay, that's it from my side. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel Chemical Engineer. Moreover, I have various playlists. You can go to my channel and watch various playlists, technical interview all about heat exchangers, various subjects of chemical engineering, as well as we are covering the syllabus for GATE as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please support us. Thanks.